Fountain dell'Acqua Paola. It's about the only way I can remember these names. Anyway, this is Eric Clark's travel videos. I'm here at Fountain dell'Acqua Paola, and it is under construction. You can see the water's not running and it's all fenced off, and it's now September 10th. So if you're within 6 months of this date, I would think twice about coming this far to see the fountain. Okay, everybody. All right. Well, I made the journey to see the incredible fountain at the top of Trastevere Hill, Trastevere, and doop, it's under construction. So, 3.5 mile walk. I can't even see the fountain, and it's not even running. So, you know, and most of the time you'd think I'd learn to check the website, but how many fountains have a website? Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that at least now, and it looks like for at least another 6 months, it's probably going to be under construction. So look at the date of this video, which is what, September 9th, 10th, 11th, 9th, 10th, something like that. But if you're anywhere near this date, 6 months, I would think that it's going to be closed as well. So don't make the journey to this point. Okay, everybody. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.